Welcome to this tutorial to QFAN, which is the first app to deploy on Quai Network's Golden Age testnet. In this video, I'm going to explain the mechanics of the game and how everything works and how you can earn Quai tokens that are Quai Golden Age tokens that will transfer to mainnet rewards in the future. So it is a Telegram bot game that you can play both on desktop and on mobile. I will be joining from desktop. I am in the bot QFAN Club, which is this is the name, the username. And when you're here, you can click play. You launch the application. It will take a tiny bit to load. Once it's loaded, we are welcomed to with this screen. On the left top corner, we have Veronica, which is my name, a level, that's the level you're at, and the progress. In order to level up your player in this game, you have to train it. And to train your player, you have to click claim here. As you can see, it will start training, and this training will keep leveling up my player. Also, this same training gives you Quai points, QFAN points actually. So this is my balance, as you can see right here, of 1,890 QFAN points. The more I train, the more rewards I can earn, and the higher my level is in the game. And I can also use a feature called mining. However, to use this feature, which actually gives you the ability to earn tokens in the QFAN Club and therefore earn some rewards for Quai Network's Golden Age testnet as well, because you can buy tickets in here that will transfer, but I will explain. So in order to mine, you need to have your wallet connected. So you click to this wallet in the top right hand corner, and you have to import your wallet. This is a Quai wallet for this one that you need. So you can use both Pelagus, Koala, or now also Gate wallet. And I'm going to be using Pelagus for the purpose of this tutorial. You need to create password. And I'll show you how to get your private key from Pelagus. So I go to my browser, and in here you see I have Pelagus Golden Age installed. That's the latest version. Here I can go ahead and you can see my wallets. I would recommend that's best practice to create a new account for any time you'd like to do something. So I would create a new account and choose Cypress 1, click confirm. Then I will need to get some tokens to this account. I will click receive and here, and I copied my address. To get some tokens to this address, you can either send them from your main mining account, send some from any other accounts you have, ask your friends, or you can use the Quai Network testnet faucet, which is found at faucet.quai.network. You authenticate with your Twitter, and then you paste this address that you just created, and then you request Quai. So when you got the tokens from the faucet, you can go ahead and export your private key. You click on this arrow down, and in here, you are in the wallet that you'd like to use. You click on these three dots, and if you scroll down a little bit, there is export private key. That is what you need. You click this one, and then you say copy key. You click on this button, and now you can go back to the QFAN Club and enter your private key here. Click import. And you see your address imported into the QFAN Club. Now you can click this arrow back, and we are good to start mining. We click here, and this mining thing only works while your application is running and is open. So you can also kind of close it, but it will stop mining altogether. You can, however, keep training. So you can, for example, start training, click on this claim to train, and then you can close your Telegram application, and then come back in 1 hour and click claim and train again, and this will keep training, and you can just do it all the time. However, mining only works while you're right in here. There are other things that you can do to earn more tokens and more QFAN points. That is the daily check-in. That is, for example, right here. I'll click on it. It's not going to work right now. Yes, because I already interacted today. So today I already claimed my check-in points, which gave me 300 QFAN points. And I can do that every 24 hours, and just the same as a faucet. So I can go claim the faucet every 24 hours, go check in into QFAN every 24 hours. If I am not a miner, for example, that's one of the best ways to earn as many tokens as I can as a community. Then there are also gift codes. So gift codes are just kind of a campaign that QFAN is running that you can get those if you are active in Quai Discord and in QFAN chats. Those just randomly appear in some events. For example, we had a QFAN trivia in Quai Discord, and there the most active and the most knowledgeable participants got the gift codes, which can be redeemable for just random nice perks right in here. You can also see more buttons right over here. So there is this marketplace trading. There are some things that are being sold. Not all of them are available. There are some that are in quantity 0, and you can see the floor price and everything. So you can buy the XP voucher, for example, with 400 QFP or QFAN points, or something else. However, again, many of these are still at 0. And remember, this is still testnet, so many of these things are being rolled out as we speak. As you can see, there are also my orders, which are none at the moment, and transactions, which are coming soon. So let's go back and now click on other things. You click on inventory, and here I got silver, bronze, and some Quai event card and vouchers. So these are just random things that you get while you are mining. When you're mining in this application and it is just running, you get QFAN points. However, sometimes the longer you mine, you can get some kind of cards or events or vouchers, which are just for being lucky, and it's just kind of a chance to get those. How are those useful? You can go into Fusion and you can see that you can fuse these 150 bronze cards and 50 silver cards to claim a 5,000 QFAN points golden ticket, which will be then also useful to get more testnet actual Quai. So this whole game kind of builds up on itself, and the more you play, the more rewards you can earn. So there are also badges that I don't have any at the moment, and in inventory we see that. So those cards that you saw in my inventory, I can also go to the marketplace, and here I can not only buy things but also sell things. So since I have a couple of silver cards and bronze cards, I can click on silver card and I click on sell. And let's say I want to sell it for 30 QFAN points. And then I click order. And yes, I am sure. I click on password. And here you'll have to create a new password. So you click create password. And now I can go back to trading. That's right here, marketplace. And go to silver cards and actually sell the one that I wanted. So let's sell one for 30. Click order. Yes, I am sure. I just created my password, so I can go ahead and enter it. Sell success, and we are good. So now you saw how to sell. We can also go ahead and buy. We can buy the same one, and we just order yes. And it's also very similar, the buy success. I just bought my own card back. And you click into my orders and you see that it is fulfilled. Now let's go back and see what other things there are. Let's click on this coin that keeps rotating now because it is just so enticing. So we click on it and you can go ahead and flip the coin. You have to enter your password. Password is valid. This is the same password that I used to sell my silver card. Let's go ahead and flip the coin. It is a flip success, which is nice. And I click close. And this is good for me. This gave me some experience and QFAN points. It gives you 380 QFAN points and 5 experience. You saw how this works, so we can go back now. And there are 5 buttons at the bottom. So let's start with missions. There are different missions that you can do to earn extra QFAN points. So there is a join QFAN Telegram chat, QFAN Twitter, read the basic guide, and join the Telegram announcements channel. Then there is also Quai Discovery and Partnership. So more quests will appear here as QFAN grows and releases new stuff. So I'm sure you'll be able to claim more QFAN points from the quests. And keep in mind that this is still in testnet. So see, some of the things may not work as smoothly as you would expect. So if something is not working, just go to our Discord or go to QFAN chat and explain whatever is not working. And either the Quai team or the QFAN team will be able to help you out on that. So let's go back and click on events. Right now, there is an event running that is called the King of Prediction League. Right now, Premier League, actually, pardon me. So there is a round 3 that we're at. It has been running from October 4th and it will be until November 4th. So here you are basically doing sports betting on the real world soccer events. You have to bet quite a bit, and they open at a certain time. So not all of them are available right now because of the particular time that I'm at. So when the game is about to start, I assume that's when all the betting will be available too. There is a leaderboard of the most successful bettors and the history and rewards that are for your own account. And the prize pool here is also pretty good because there are 1,500 Quai points and 1 million QFAN points. So let's go back and check out the booster. So in the booster, you can buy either the stadium or a skill, which cost 1,000 QFAN points. So the stadium increase training time and increase training efficiency with skill. Whichever one you prefer, you just click on it. And for example, I would like to level up my stadium and I click upgrade. And now I'm in Stadium 2. Once I have 1,000 QFAN points, I'll be able to upgrade my skill and stadium again. That's basically all we can do here. That's just the regular mobile game experience. As you can see, during this time, I was still training, and I mean, my body, my football body was still training. The other thing is you can invite friends. Here, you can get plus 10% from buddies and plus 5% from their referrals. So it's quite a bit of earning that doesn't cost you anything and it doesn't cost your friend anything either. So you click on invite friend, it gives you a referral code and you can use that code when you are joining the game and you're just starting for the very first time. And that was it for this quick tutorial. If you have any questions left, please reach out to us in Discord or to QFAN in the QFAN chat on Telegram. Keep mining. If you don't have a GPU, keep mining in QFAN Club. Make sure to have some Quai tokens in your wallet from the faucet and the latest Polygus version for that. And thank you very much for watching. See you in the next tutorials.